So, do you really need a college degree to work in IT anymore? Because 10 years ago, the answer was an easy yes. But now, between certifications, boot camps, and on-the-job training, that degree might be more optional than ever. So let's talk about what's actually happening. For decades, the path into IT looked a lot like this. Graduate from high school, go to college, get a computer science degree, then start applying for entry-level jobs. But the reality is, a lot of companies don't hire that way anymore. They want skills. They want proof you can do the work. That's where certifications, hands-on labs, and real-world projects started to steal the spotlight. Because when a hiring manager sees you've built a network, secured a cloud environment, or deployed servers, they don't care where you learned it. They care that you can do it. And let's be honest, the cost of college has gotten ridiculous. A 4-year degree can easily set you back over $100,000. Now, that's tough when entry-level IT jobs might start around $50,000 or $60,000. So it's no wonder more people are skipping college and going straight into certifications, being like CompTIA, AWS, Cisco, Microsoft, things that actually align with the jobs out there right now. But here's the catch. Degrees still open some doors, especially if you want to move into management or government or big corporate environments. So what's the better route? Honestly, it depends on you. If you're disciplined, self-motivated, and love hands-on learning, certifications and training can get you working faster and cheaper. But if you want a broad foundation, long-term credentials, and access to certain career ladders, college can still be worth it. Now, the truth is, IT has become one of the few industries where skills can outshine degrees. You can start on the help desk, get certified, move into networking, cybersecurity, cloud, and even build a 6-figure career without ever setting foot in a university classroom. So do you really need a degree for IT anymore? Well, not necessarily. What you need is proof that you can learn, adapt, and deliver. Now, whether that comes from a degree, a certification, or self-taught experience, that's up to you. The most important thing is to start, because IT rewards the doers, not just the diploma holders. So what do you think? Is college still worth it for tech careers? Or are certifications the new standard? Drop your thoughts below. Like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.